this out. I am here in New Jersey. Jersey City, baby. Because you know I'm a New York girl, and that's just a hop and skip and a jump right across the bridge. So today, I'm helping out my sister girl. We are getting her place hooked all the way up. Okay? Let me show you her spot, because this is bad right here. This is bad. See Lady Liberty right over there, honey? Right there. We looking at her back, but we know that's her. Freedom Tower, boom. She got the whole cityscape right here. Absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to do it right now. Thank you for tuning in to Amethyst Adventures, baby. Y'all, check this out. My project for this week. I was hired by a client to do a full KonMari in her apartment. We're going to clean. We're going to organize. We're going to decorate. We're going to get this whole place together. So stick with me while I get into it. One hour later, progress is being made. The floor is now clean in the dining room area, and we have a staging area to begin our organizing. So that's where we are right now. Once we rearrange stuff where you actually, like I said yesterday, everything will have a home. Okay. And I think that will keep you on task. Okay. And this is what we're getting rid of. Not bad for one day.
Yep.
Top, now clean. We can see the floor. And we are in the process of organizing. So, still have more to go. We're about halfway. Here's another clean bathroom.
Yeah, I heard you call Jesus once or twice.
Did you? No,
I heard,
you did.
yes, you were in front of my door. I heard Jesus. I was like, maybe she prayed.
I had to call Jesus for help this morning. Because I got to the point I was like, Lord, have mercy what I'm going to do.
I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish.
Saturday morning, and this is where we're at. We have to go through about a ton of paperwork, but here's the upside. Most of what we have here is all donations. Donation. Continuing on, donation. All of that is donation. There's another bag here of donation. We still have quite a bit in the living room, but I will tell you it is much less than what we have. The dining room, the library, the piano area, all done. Alright, kitchen, pretty well done. You can see the countertop, all that. We just have some supplies we're working with it. I have my coffee because I need it. As you can see, multiple bins. We had to run a U-Haul to get all the stuff to the Salvation Army, but it is currently moving out. Okay, so we got everything coming on out of the house. U-Haul is just about full with stuff, and getting ready to head to the Salvation.
So I switch my girls around like 3L dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby.
Our closet is now complete. Organized, color-coded from the top to the bottom. And these are both closets in the master bedroom area. We moved our linen because the linen was in smaller amount than the wig collection. We needed more room for the wig collection. So the wig collection took over the linen closet, and we have our linen happily placed in our clothes closet. And everything is organized and color-coded. That's all for tonight, folks. One more day, and this project will be complete.
Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. And I'll be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly, and still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me. Yeah, baby.